I'm going to show you how to prepare this beautiful and healthy Mediterranean-inspired grain bowl with chermoula, zaalouk, tuna, olives, and cucumbers. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the chermoula, which is a North African sauce often used with seafood, but is delicious on anything. Mix the lemon juice, garlic, paprika, cayenne, and cumin. Whisk in the parsley, cilantro, preserved lemon, and olive oil. I'm using an extra virgin olive oil with medium fruitiness to enhance the grassiness of the herbs and tanginess of the citrus. A medium fruity olive oil will be able to stand up to the grains and shine through. Season to taste with salt and pepper and set this aside. Next we'll make the zalouk, which is a Moroccan eggplant and tomato dish. I've sauteed these onions for about 15 minutes until they're nicely caramelized. Add the garlic, cumin, paprika, and Aleppo pepper and let cook until aromatic. Add the tomatoes and let these cook for 30 minutes or until you have a paste-like consistency. Here I have some eggplants that I've charred on a grill, then peeled and chopped. Add these to the tomato mixture and gently mix and cook over low heat for about 20 minutes. Add the lemon zest and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Let the mixture cool and stir in cilantro and a little more extra virgin olive oil. For the tuna confit, I gently poached a tuna belly in olive oil infused with herbs. I'm using an olive oil with a delicate green fruitiness to complement the mild flavor of the tuna. Here I have my grain mixture of cooked farro, quinoa, and cauliflower rice that I've tossed with cilantro, parsley, kale, preserved lemon, and some of the chermoula. Now that I've shown you some of these components, I'll put together my bowl. Add the grains and green mixture. Top this with the marinated cucumbers, fava beans, and tomatoes, a spoonful of zalouk, a few marinated olives, and some of the flaked tuna confit. Drizzle the bowl with chermoula. For a nice crunch, finish the bowl with a sprinkle of crispy za'atar chickpeas and some microgreens for a pop of color. This beautiful, hearty, and healthy bowl is inspired by the amazing flavors of the North African Mediterranean. Enjoy! For the full recipe, go to theplantforwardkitchen.org or find the recipe link below.